Hey there, welcome to our YouTube video where we'll dive into a common problem that many people face when dealing with old hard drives. Imagine this: you have a physical 2TB laptop hard drive that used to belong to a broken down HP 15DA0061CL notebook. The hard drive contains a Windows 10 Home OS, and you're itching to access it once again. The good news is that with the help of VirtualBox and a USB Sabrent HDD adapter, you can bring that old OS back to life in a virtual environment. But how exactly do you go about doing that? Let's find out together. In the solution provided, we learn that the first step involves ensuring that VirtualBox is installed on your system, along with any necessary extensions. You'll also need a virtual machine with an OS already set up. Once you have everything in place, it's time to plug in the hard drive and modify the guest VM settings. By enabling the USB controller and mounting the USB device within the VM, you'll be able to boot up the OS and access the disk seamlessly. Remember, any actions you take within the guest OS will directly affect the physical disk, so proceed with caution. In summary, using VirtualBox to access a physical drive with an old OS is a great way to breathe new life into your broken-down hardware. By following the simple steps outlined in the solution, you can easily set up a virtual machine and access your old files and applications once again. So go ahead, give it a try, and experience the nostalgia of your previous setup. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy virtualizing.